In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Canva. First, navigate to canva.com in your web browser and click on Sign Up if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, simply click Sign In. After signing in, click on Create a Design button. You can choose from suggested templates, create your own custom dimensions, or upload a file or a photo to edit. There is a vast library of pre-made templates categorized for various purposes. On the left-hand side, browse through the templates sorted into sections like quotes, promotions, and events. Use the search bar to find templates specific to your needs. Click on a template that suits your project and look for the free label if you're using the free version of Canva. If you prefer, start from scratch by selecting a blank template or custom dimensions. Once a template is chosen, customize it. You can edit text, add elements, uploads, background, or layouts. You can also, at the top of the page, utilize tools like text, elements, uploads, background, position, and effects. Once your design is complete, click on the download button to save your design as an image file. Alternatively, use the publish button to directly share to social media or get a shareable link. You can collaborate and share with friends. To master the Canva editing, you gotta have experiment, explore features, save regularly, and learn from tutorials. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.